Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you very much for inviting me to present a brief vote of thanks. And if I just translate it into Urdu, it would be like vote ka shukriya. So anyway, none of you have voted for me, but let me present to you the thanks after a very successful 2-day event. And all of you know that these successful events have a strong team behind, which has worked day and night very hard to make such kind of event successful. I would like to thank PTA particularly for taking the initiative to have this INET Islamabad, an INET first time in Pakistan, which is an honor for us also. And we would like to see many such conferences in Pakistan in future. And this will be a very decent, graceful, and enthusiastic beginning for us. For this, PTA deserves a big round of applause. Under the able leadership of Dr. Saeed Ismail Shah, their team has worked to make this event a success, and we have seen this with a number of plenary sessions, technical talks and deliberations, and discussions over the networking sessions. I hope that this event will make a solid foundation for the revival and solidification of the digital economy and the sustainable development in Pakistan. PT has managed to gather all the key stakeholders so that the things that have been deliberated here, discussed here, are considered as part of taking all the stakeholders involved, and this will give us guidance, this will develop consensus, so we can have some policy and some thoughts, some directions to move forward. ISOC Asia Pacific Bureau is, I would also like to thank the ISOC Asia Pacific Bureau particularly for giving us this chance to hold this INET Islamabad in Pakistan. ISOC Asia Pacific Bureau was involved in it. They have invited a number of speakers also who came and shared thoughts with us. Their team worked, and the ISOC Islamabad chapter was also involved. I'm also really thankful to all the foreign guests who came and visited us and participated in this event, which was very important. And thanks to these technical experts. Thanks to all of you who participated in this event, in this 2-day event, participated in plenary sessions, in discussions, in other talks. And I hope that this will start a very fruitful beginning to develop other events of this type over this foundation. At the end, I'm also very much thankful to all the team members who worked behind this, the scene, who may not be named, but they are here and worked very hard to make this event a success. I wish that ISOC Global, ISOC Asia Pacific Bureau, and ISOC Islamabad could contribute well in giving directions, in helping in policy making, and generating general awareness for the public at large and the policy makers, government, academia, and technical experts. Thank you very much.